Speeds of 100 miles an hour are an everyday fact of life today for the Great North Eastern Railway trains using the East Coast Main Line. We really do take high-speed rail travel for granted. It was a very different story back in the 1930s, however. Then, a rail speed of 100 miles per hour would have made headlines around the world. On May 1st, 1928, the LNER's prestigious Flying Scotsman Express ran non-stop for the first time from London to Edinburgh, and the race for speed was on. During trials on Stoke Bank on November 30th, 1934, the magical 100 miles per hour was formally breached for the first time by Flying Scotsman. During the next year, on March 5th, 1935, when more powerful A3 Pacific Papyrus touched 108 miles per hour, the way was paved for the Silver Jubilee. Gresley told T.A. Steele, Doncaster's chief locomotive draftsman, to supervise the design of a new locomotive to cut the King's Cross Newcastle running time from 5 hours 6 minutes to just 4 hours, and the A4 was born. In the streamlined era of the late 1930s, the London, Midland and Scottish and the London and North Eastern Railway vied with each other to see whose locomotives could run the fastest. This was a contest which reached its climax here on Stoke Bank on July 3rd, 1938, when Mallard, Gresley's legendary A4 Pacific, reached 126 miles per hour. This was a world record for steam, which still stands today. The A4s captured the British public imagination like no other locomotives before or since. Because of their distinctive shape, they were instantly and widely recognised. More to the point, they were very good at their jobs. The A4s reigned supreme here on the East Coast Main Line for more than 25 years, from the days of Gershwin through to the time of the Beatles. "60 years on, their radical shape has certainly stood the test of time, and a working A4 on the main line is still guaranteed to turn heads. After more than 20 years as a museum piece, Mallard returned to steam in 1988, the 50th anniversary of its world record run of 1938.